Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Atlas oil change indicator. After performing an oil change, it's really important to reset this light. If you don't, your vehicle will continue to remind you that service is due, even though you've already completed it. This simple step ensures your maintenance schedule is accurately tracked and your dashboard is clear, giving you peace of mind on the road. Let's start with the manual method, which is quite common. First, get into your VW Atlas and turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the zero set button, often found near your speedometer or tachometer, and press and hold it down for about 10 seconds. You'll then see a message on your display asking to confirm the service reset. Release the button, then press it again briefly to confirm, and the indicator should clear. For many newer VW Atlas models, you can also reset the indicator through the infotainment system. Begin by turning on your vehicle and accessing the main menu on your central screen. Look for the car button or icon, then navigate to Settings. Within the settings, you should find an option labeled Service Interval. Select this, and then choose Reset Oil Change Service to clear the reminder. It's a quick and convenient way to manage your maintenance alerts. Sometimes the reset might not take on the first try. If this happens, simply repeat the steps, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. Double-check that your engine is off and only the ignition is on for the manual method. Remember, performing regular oil changes every 10,000 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first, is vital for your Atlas's longevity. If you continue to have issues, consulting your owner's manual or a certified technician is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.